This is a demonstration of the new iPhone iPod Touch application called Rage Eraser. Rage Eraser is an anger management application that allows you certain techniques for diminishing an angry outburst, techniques for permanently transforming your angry behavior into something that's a little more beneficial, tracking your angry outbursts so that you can better understand what causes them and when, and then a detailed reference section that explains more about a number of these techniques. If you are experiencing an angry outburst, you can go to our Angry Now section where we have our anger diffusers. Techniques such as deep breathing exercises will immediately start to counteract the physiological effects of your anger. Hakalau, an ancient Huna Hawaiian healing technique. Soothing sounds, calming affirmations, timeouts, things that will help you immediately deal with your angry outburst. If an item has audio, then you will see audio controls at the top as well as at the bottom.
Continue breathing like this as long as you like. And notice how your energy has changed.
Now, if there's text also available with with each diffuser, and if you would like to increase the font size, you can click on the little font button, and that will increase the size of the font so that it's a little bit easier to read. If a technique does not have audio associated with it, then the audio controls will be hidden. If you're an iPhone user, you have the ability to record and play back a rant. So if you want to vent your frustration about a particular thing that's making you angry, then you can create a new rant and hit the record button and just record your rant.
Your conclusions were retarded. You're stupid for even being involved in this punk-ass piece of wannabe documentary. And that was the smallest crop circle. Not those two.
Once you've recorded your rant, you can save it and then revisit that rant at any time. This allows you to see how other people see you when you're in the middle of an angry outburst, and it also allows you to listen to the kind of distorted thinking that occurs in the middle of an angry outburst. Now, if you're an iTouch user, this rant feature will be hidden because you don't have a microphone unless you connect some sort of external microphone to your device. So this is only available for the iPhone users. The second thing we have are transformers, which will help you permanently transform your anger, such as learning to let go of your anger, learning meditation, self-hypnosis, understanding the underlying issues or the distorted thinking behind your rage events. Again, if the selection has audio, the audio controls will appear.
As you breathe out, I want you to count to 3.
If an item has more information available in the reference area, there will be a reference button in the upper right-hand corner. You can click that and you can see tons and tons of additional text that explain more and more about that topic. We have a tracking feature which allows you to track logs of your anger events. So if you had an argument with someone in line at the grocery store, you could explain what the anger event was about, what triggered that event and where it occurred. You could specify how angry you were at the outset, and then check off any of the diffusion techniques that you tried to reduce your anger, and then indicate how angry you were after using the diffusers. This tells you how effective those diffusers were. You can also analyze and see what underlying issues might have been present that caused that anger. You can also indicate any transformer techniques that you use to try and permanently get over those issues. Towards the bottom we have a place for you to enter insights that you might have had about what caused this anger, and also an area to enter in what a better way to handle the anger might have been. Once you're finished entering your log, you can save it, and it's included in the list of saved logs. You can track your progress by clicking on charts, and here we have available charts that analyze things such as the frequency of rage events in the last 6 months, the average anger scale for the last 6 months, the most angry triggers, things that triggered your anger, and what the most effective diffusers are. If you wish, you can add or delete tracking logs at any time. Finally, we have our reference section, and this is an area where you can go and find more information about these topics, such as information about the app itself, information about the anger cycle, about HUNA techniques, about meditation, conflict resolution, and so forth. So this is the Apple iPhone iPod Touch application Rage Eraser, available on the Apple iTunes App Store. Thank you.